Ever wondered how much that glowing sign in your favorite diner costs? Not the electricity bill, I mean the actual neon gas inside. It's a question that sparks more curiosity than you might think. Neon. That vibrant, reddish-orange glow. It's iconic. From vintage signs to shimmering nightclubs, neon has illuminated our world for over a century. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, neon is a fascinating element with a unique story. Now, the burning question, how much does neon actually cost? Well, it's not as simple as slapping a price tag on a jar of gas. Here's the lowdown. Rarity, neon isn't exactly rare, but it's not as abundant as, say, nitrogen or oxygen. It constitutes only about 0.0018% of Earth's atmosphere. This scarcity plays a role in its price. Extracting neon from the air is a complex process. It involves fractional distillation. This is where air is cooled to extremely low temperatures, causing different gases to liquefy at varying points. Neon is separated from other gases like nitrogen and oxygen during this process. Purification. The extracted neon then undergoes further purification to remove any impurities. Demand. Neon has a variety of industrial uses, including lasers, used in medical procedures like eye surgery. Cryogenics, employed in the cooling of superconducting magnets. High-voltage indicators, those familiar orange lights in electrical equipment. Of course, those iconic neon signs. This demand keeps neon in circulation, influencing its price. Price fluctuations. Now, let's talk numbers. The price of neon can fluctuate significantly based on global supply and demand. If there's a sudden surge in demand for neon, like a boom in electronics manufacturing, prices can skyrocket. Production costs, energy costs, maintenance of extraction facilities, and unforeseen events can all impact production costs and, subsequently, the price of neon. Market competition. The number of companies involved in neon extraction and purification can influence market prices. Finding the price. Unfortunately, there's no single, easy-to-find price for neon. It's typically sold in bulk quantities to industrial and commercial buyers. Industrial buyers, companies using neon for manufacturing or research, will have contracts with suppliers, negotiating prices based on volume and delivery. Sign makers, for those interested in neon signs, the cost of the neon gas itself is usually a small fraction of the overall sign cost. Labor, materials, and design are the major factors. So, while a precise price for neon might be elusive, we can understand the factors that influence its cost. From its extraction process to its diverse applications, neon is a fascinating element with a unique economic story. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.